Weather Channel.
The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or newspaper.
Stay tuned for your local on the 8s, brought to you by Liquifeed. Makes feeding as easy as watering.
Getting ready to plant? Chances are your soil is like this. Compacted, drained of nutrients. It'll hold your plants, but it'll also hold them back. The solution? Miracle-Gro garden soil. The perfect mix of rich organic ingredients and Miracle-Gro plant food. Just mix it in and turn bad soil into great soil. Helps plants grow twice as big. Instead of holding them back, they'll leap ahead. Miracle-Gro garden soil and moisture control garden soil.
From the Edge, Thursday night at 8 on the Weather Channel.
I've only got 30 minutes to grab that shot.
Now, your local on the 8s.
For continuing coverage of severe spring weather, stay with the Weather Channel.
It is day 3 of a severe weather outbreak that has killed at least 17 people and injured countless others.
We've been tracking storms from the southern plains to the Carolinas, and now the mid-Atlantic is in line of fire.
We've got you covered on the latest severe weather happening right now on Weather Center. And we are continuing our coverage to bring you the very latest on today's and tonight's severe weather threat. I'm Kelly Cass.
And I'm Paul Goodlow. Parts of the Carolinas and the Mid-Atlantic are in the red zone at this hour. It's the same system that brought deadly tornadoes to the southeast yesterday.
And unfortunately, there are fatalities involved with this system. At least 17 people have died.